Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing parts for the Danby DPA100B9IWDB-6 window kit? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Measure window opening. Measure the window opening where the window kit will be installed. Step 2. Assemble necessary sliders. Assemble the necessary sliders to fit the window appropriately. Step 3. Cut slider to fit. If the window opening is smaller than a single slider, cut the slider with a hole to the correct length. Step 4. Secure window sliders. Secure the window sliders at the correct length using the window slider bolts. Step 5. Attach exhaust adapter. Assemble and attach the exhaust adapter module for sliding windows, making sure it is installed away from the wall. Step 6. Rotate exhaust hose. Rotate the exhaust hose gently backwards and pull it out to complete the assembly. After following these steps, you should be all set with your replacement parts for the Danby DPA100B9IWDB-6 window kit. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Danby users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.